Right. Hi everyone. So ano ba yung IMG Marketplace? So enter ko muna ang agent code ni Tin dito 1838LF. Then click submit. Yeah, wait lang natin. So basically ang IMG Marketplace, isa siyang portal wherein magagawa mo lahat ng ways of saving and investing the right way. From acquiring your real estate properties, then renting out kung meron kang property, then saving for your healthcare needs to protect your families in case na something happens, no? So, magkasakit, ganyan. Life insurance as well. Meron kang sasakyan or gusto mo mag-purchase ng sasakyan, travel insurance to avail big discount. At the same time, di ba, it's a one-stop shop siya, so less hassle at saka makakatipid ka rin sa own purchase mo. So, how it works? Kunyari, gusto mong mag-member ng IMG, click mo lang to. Tapos, from here, ito yung mga breakdown. Pag Philippine-based ka, ito 6,000 one-time payment. Meron ka ng instant speed-up savings. Meron kang around 100k to 300,000. Depende, up to 200,000 free PAI or yung personal accident insurance. Meron ka ng additional 50k na free memorial concierge services. Unlimited consultation in Kaiser Medical Center or clinics. Free legal assistance. So, pag click mo siya, basically pupunta siya sa affiliate link ni Tin, no? Or yung affiliate ng kakilala nyo. Tapos pag kinik mo tong Be an IMG member now, makita mo na siya lahat dito. Kunyari, Philippine-based ka, select mo lang yan. Or for example, OFW ka. So click mo yung click here to sign up for other countries. Then select yung specific na country kung saan ka man currently na located. So ganun lang siya. Tapos let's say balik natin muna dito. Kunyari, real estate. Yan. So, kung pre-selling, pwede mo siyang i-sort out dito based sa needs mo. Okay? Yan. Or buy, rent, sell, property, rent. Yan. Meron siyang ganito. Pwede kang mag-add ng listing basically. Kunyari, pre-selling. Tapos, ano ba yung specific location? Not sure kung pwede na tong kunyari, lot. Yan. Yung location, hindi pa ata siya pwede i-filter, no? Kunyari, ganyan. So, ito yung mga naka-pre-selling basically na lot. Tapos, apply changes. Yan. Gaganyan mo lang siya. Kumbaga, hanapin mo kung ano ba yung filter mo. Yan, basically. Yan. Ito yung for property. And then next is auto program. Kunyari, if you're planning to buy brand new car, so, ganyan siya. Basically, may step din po siya kung papaano. Kunyari, ito. So, ipakita ko na lang din yung kung paano IMG Auto Program. Yung step for that is, eto siya, basically. So, number 1, visit a car dealer of your choice. Number 2, discuss with any of their sales executive all the details of your chosen vehicle. Specs, basically. This request for a formal quotation or proposal. And ito yung pinaka-importanteng note, do not pay any reservation or down payment yet. So, dito mo siya isa-send basically. Yan, members assistance at img-corp.net to request a vehicle quotation form. Yan, ganun siya. So, meron siyang process, kumbaga. Tapos, next is, balik natin dito sa marketplace, homepage. Next yan is, kunyari, you're planning to have life insurance. So, dito din, pili ka. Meron tayo iba't ibang life insurance na pwede i-offer sa market. Ito naman, most 18 life insurance, ito memorial plan, then income replacement, yung may hospitalization benefit kumbaga, or income. Kunyari, ito, life insurance. So, ayan siya. Fill in yung mga basic details, pili ka kung anong gusto mong requirement or goal basically. Tapos, yan, kailangan ka magre-retire and all. Pick mo to, tapos continue your proposal computation. So, ganun lang siya. Tapos pwede mo siyang i-customize based dun sa coverage na need mo. Siyempre, ang idea is the higher the plan, the higher the coverage, and the higher the premium basically. Yan, ganoon lang siya. Tapos, ito naman, Everest. So, kung naghanap ka ng affordable na memorial solution, nandito rin siya. Yan, for Philippine-based to basically. Tapos, ito namang isa, plus, ito pwede kang mag-assign ng assignee. 1, 2, and 3 yung max. Tapos kung OFW naman, required na mag-member ng IMG to avail this one. Okay? Then, income replacement. Ito yung may mga hospitalization benefit or income, kumbaga. Yan. So, pwede mo rin siyang, you can play around with the tool basically. Based dun sa financial goal mo. Yan. Balik tayo. Tapos non-life insurance, kunyari meron kang kotse, bahay, kondo, anything na related doon sa non-life, dito mo na rin siya pwedeng gawin basically. Okay, kunyari car insurance. So, punta siya dito, i-reset natin, no? Tapos, let's say, select mo yung specific year. Yung kunyari 2024. Tapos, let's say, Toyota Innova. Hanapin mo siya dyan. Tapos yung type. Tapos next mo lang siya. Yan, fill in yung company name, yung current na insurance provider, kailan mag-expire. Yan. Kung private ba siya and all. Yan. Kung financing ba siya or hindi, fill in mo lang. Tapos, yan, fill in mo dito. Tapos, click mo lang yung submit. Then, edit my details. Tapos, you can play around with the fair market value. Tapos, submit. Ito sa part na to. Yan. So, ganun lang siya. Kunyari, okay ka na dyan. So, kung IMG member ka, ito yung madi-discount mo basically. Tapos, ito yung discounted. Ito naman yung regular if non-IMG member. Ito yung mga coverage. Tapos, fill upan mo yung mga details dyan na kailangan. Tapos, ito naman, motorcycle property. Pag property, I think, yan, click mo lang tong start quote. So, nandito yung mga specific coverage. Motorcycle, ganun din. Pag click mo yung start quote, mag-i-email sila basically. Para, ayan, ito yung mga details. Tapos, VCTPL yan. So, ito yung mga price point natin. Travel insurance, ito naman, pwede mo siya i-customize basically. Okay? Kunyari, wait lang. Palitan natin to. February 1. Tapos, yan. So, i-declare mo kung ilan kayo. Kunyari, kung may COVID coverage. Next. Submit. Tapos, nandito na siya. So, ito yung mga specific coverage, classic, gold, platinum, titanium. Naka-breakdown naman na dito. Yung monetary value, kumbaga. Ito yung mga price list point natin. So, nandyan siya. Okay? Siyempre, ang idea, the higher the plan, the higher the coverage. Ganun lang siya. Ayan. So, we're good with this one. Balik ko dito sa main page or sa home. Healthcare. So, kung plan mo rin mag-invest ng long-term healthcare mo, click mo lang to. Then, pili ka. Ayan, fill in yung mga basic details dito. Basically, pwede siya for 10 years old to 60 years old and 6 months. So, fill in mo yun to, tapos create code. Then, from there, you can choose kung anong plan. Tapos, specific mode of payment. Yan. The next, invest naman. So, gusto mong mag-invest sa mutual fund, PDF, yan, click mo lang siya. Tapos, search mo yung agent code dito once member ka ng IMG. Okay, kunyari, kay TIN. Tapos, fund, yan, tapos amount. So, ganoon lang siya. Same with this one. Tapos, super PDF, tapos maglagay ka ng amount dyan. Next mo lang siya, then payment na. Yan. Then, what's next? Ito naman for merchandise, if you're planning to buy yung mga items sa IMG, yung shirt, cap, libro, video book, ito, etc. Yan, nandyan siya lahat. The next one is medical clinics, yung Kaiser. So, nandito siya yung mga pwede nating gawin na procedures, etc. Yan, nandito siya lahat. Tapos, yung specific na may mga promos din, basically. Yan. Tapos, click mo lang yung request appointment, basically. Yan siya. Fill in yung mga basic details. Tapos, charity naman. So, if you want to give dito sa mga foundation natin dito na tinutulungan, so, I think through Neurocash for now. Kunyari yan, 200. Tapos, Neurocash, yung internal tool ng IMG for now. Pwede tayong mag-top up yan. Neurocash bills payment for now. Okay? And then, ano pa ba? Membership, real estate, life insurance, special offer. Let's check this one. Wala pa siya for now. Balik ko dito. About us. Yan. Then dito naman yung mga nakapag-avail ng service or discount basically. Ayan. So kung gusto mong magbasa pa ng mga reviews for auto program, dito lang siya. IMG auto program basically. Nandito siya lahat. Eto, what members are saying. So, i-attach ko na lang later on sa video yung mga link, no? If you have questions kung hindi ka pa IMG member, and if you're interested dito sa mga na-discuss natin na benefits dito sa marketplace, let us know. Message us para mag-guide namin kayo. Thank you.